Hey man, it's Workers Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have the Warren Lotas live cop, and I'm trying to get like about 3 pieces. I want to get the hoodie, and there are 2 of the shirts, the Laker ones that I want to go ahead and resell. Remember, if you have not already, make sure to follow me at _easy resell. That's where I'm going to be posting things that I'm going to resell, but I feel like it's going to end up being on Grailed, but I'll promote the stuff on that IG and specifically. But I was just looking on his freaking Instagram, and I think there are more pieces. It seems like there's a LeBron version of the hoodie, so I'm gonna have to like kind of be decisive on the spot. Do I just want the Laker version or do I want the LeBron version? So right now, kind of nervous. I got about 4 or 5 minutes before the cop happens, and I don't know, just hopefully we have good luck, we can cop all these pieces and whatnot. They will all be manual cops, so I'm excited for it. If y'all been keeping up with the channel, said it multiple times that I really wanted to get some more Lotas pieces. They're very unique and whatnot. And you guys stay tuned for the next video because it's going to be a big one. Here's a little sneak peek. If you guys know what this is, then you know what's going to be in the next video. But anyways, guys, you guys smash up that like button. Let's see if we get 100 likes on this video. And if you're new to the channel, what are you waiting for? On the road to 10,000 subscribers, smash that subscribe button. But let's get started with that live cop. Oh, guys. All right. We are literally, bruh. Come on, bruh. Woo! 44 seconds away, man, bro. The goal is to cop 3 pieces, but they got, I think they have a LeBron piece. I got my phone right here. Okay, let me show y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's not buffering, but there's 30 seconds on the freaking clock. What was up? Oh, shoot. Okay. We gotta add the card. They got Celtics, they got Lakers. That's it. They have LeBron. Oh, should I get the LeBron one? 180. These people is crazy. How much are the shirts going for? $100. Golly. I ain't gonna lie, I might have to change my plan. I don't think I'm gonna go broke for this one. But I want the hoodie. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna buy one for myself. Let's add that to cart. I'm keeping the LeBron one for myself, and I'm gonna resell the Lakers one. No. Shoot. Add the card. Am I recording? No! I'm not even recording. I'm a dummy. I'm dumb. I wasn't recording. Oh no. Alright, okay, so you guys, y'all missed the other stuff I was doing. Okay, let me just go ahead. We're gonna purchase this. I'm so sorry for that, bro. I'm so sorry. 190 right here. We got the LeBron long sleeve, and we got the other one. Of course, I'm not a robot. And then after this, buses. Bro, come on now. Bro, why is they so freaking many? Submit. You're in line. Bruh. Okay, so at first I didn't know how much his pieces actually go for. I was hoping it was around the $60 range, and I was gonna buy a hoodie. I was gonna buy, okay, shh. Everybody be quiet. Everyone quiet. Everyone be quiet. Everyone quiet. Everyone quiet. Everyone. Everyone quiet. Bro, how many do I have to tap? Bro, they're literally making me tap 100 mountains or hills. What is this? That he really wants you to... Bruh. Oh. Bro, I'm sorry, I'm tweaking. I'm slow right now. I'm annoyed I wasn't recording, bruh. Oh, shoot, free shipment? Run me in. Come on. Let's go ahead and secure this. Okay, game time. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna resell this shit for like $200. Oh my god. I gotta make my money back. That. I wonder if people be having it for so freaking high, bro. Come on. Fingers crossed, we in the. Bro, I wasn't even recording. Bro, I'm annoyed. Y'all about to see a fake screen, just me talking. I'm a dummy for that one. Okay, we copped it. Big bag, big bag. Bro, should I get the hoodie, bro? Maybe. Let me go back. I'm gonna continue shopping. So let me show you guys what I caught. So now that we have it, you have the Lakers hoodie. You have the LeBron version. This one I'm keeping for myself. Okay. This one I'm definitely keeping for myself. I want that. That is nice. I bought this one to resell. And if the shorts are going for like 60, I might keep that. What? The shorts are going for 160, bruh. Alright guys, like I'm thinking about pulling the trigger on this Celtics one. Okay, I got the confirmation for one of them. Shoot. I just want to make sure, I just want to see how much they be going for on Grail before I pull the trigger. You know what I'm saying? If it's going for, let's just see, Warren, Lotas. Yep, this one got the LeBron. He's trying to sell that one for 180. Yeah, this person, he's trying to sell the LeBron one for 180. Let me double up on that one. That's it. Let's double up on the LeBron. We're gonna double up on that one. And after this, I'm chilling until I resell everything. Once I resell everything, that's when we're gonna go ahead and keep this stuff moving. But just know I'm gonna have one of the Lakers to resell, and then we're gonna have the other one. 190 credit. Yeah. We're pulling the trigger. Come on now. Ain't no games. Please don't sell out. Come on. Bro, I only need. No! I only needed one, bruh. There we go. Can't believe I was not recording. That's so dumb of me. Oh, and then this process takes forever, bruh. Parking meters. It's the same thing as last time, bruh. Dude. I gotta be the slowest person on earth when it comes to this. Like, I should have listened to this guy. One of you guys told me I need to put in the autofill. Cars. 1, 2. Let's get that 3. Verify me. Continue the shipping. Big reselling. I'm telling you guys, if you have not already, bro, follow the freaking boy, bro. Y'all gotta go ahead and make sure that y'all following that account. I'm literally gonna get y'all drippy, no cap. Easy. Come on, Chris. Big bag. I'm hoping the shipping don't take too long, because I ain't gonna lie. I just been pulling the trigger on these pieces, bro. Literally, I've just been pulling the trigger. Come on. Fingers crossed. I'm freaking goated. I'm goated. Alright, you guys. So that is for the live cop. We copped 3 pieces in total. Let me just confirm. I'm gonna pull it up on my phone just to make sure, because they have been sending. I've been pulling the trigger on a lot of pieces. Sorry, this video is like literally all over there. It's like the video is literally everywhere. Okay, so placed 2 orders. So the first order, I got the bubble t-shirt and the LeBron t-shirt, both large, okay? The LeBron one, that is for the personal collection. The bubble t-shirt, I'm going to go ahead and resell. As for the second piece that I got to resell, I got another LeBron t-shirt, just because of the fact it's LeBron. I feel like that one's going to be able to sell. And on top of that, before I went ahead, and y'all saw I was in a little fiasco trying to figure out, should I pull the trigger, should I not pull the trigger? Essentially, what ended up happening was I literally looked up on Grail and someone's already trying to sell it for 180. And I just like, it's double the price essentially. So, for the pieces, the way that I go ahead and resell, the main reason why I haven't started listing them on my Grail, because that's literally where I'm going to be doing majority of the selling, is just for the fact that I feel like it's not going to be fair, because by the time I post it on my IG or whatnot, like the actual pictures once I have it. I feel like it'll be too late because the piece will already be sold, and then I feel like it's like false advertising. So I'm taking the hit up front of not just trying to sell it right away, just so that way, you know, once the pieces come in, it's kind of like fair game for everyone, whether you're following the IG page or you're keeping up with the grill. So just again, that's essentially how I'm going to be selling it if y'all want the pieces. I'm actually so freaking excited, bro. I've been wanting a piece from Warren Lotas for so long, bro. I didn't know the prices was this high. These prices is hefty. Like, this is no joke. Like, one trip on for $100. And then resale value is like you gotta pay double the price to go ahead and get that because people's trying to make their profits. So that's kind of how it is. But I'm glad with the pieces that I bought. I'm very happy. Hopefully shipping with Warren Lotas, hopefully it goes smoothly and it's not like the V-Loan drops or the Palm Angels X Pop Smoke. Just know, guys, like literally as of right now, I have like 7 pieces on the way reselling. It's from, you know, hype pieces like this Warren Lotas. We got some ASSC in the Phase collab. I know you guys watched that video. I have the FTP drop. I got the Red Woman tee. It's literally a whole bunch of pieces that is coming in. So like if you guys are rocking with this, y'all like this drip, there's no like, if you miss anything, it's gonna be on that page. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I need you guys to smash up that freaking like button, man. Let's get 100 likes on this video. And if you're new to this channel, just know that videos drop each and every single day. Business and fashion related content. I got a lot of things I need to cover. I literally feel overwhelmed with the type of merch and like the investing videos that I have on the way. But you know, one video a day will ease the pain. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, more Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.